This content was filmed at the 28th Annual Golden Harvest Days in memory of Jamie Esbenshade, biggest little working show in the Southwest. This event was free to the public and they charge nothing. That's right, nothing. No admission charge at all. And there is a ton of things at this event. So without further ado, enjoy the video.
There we are.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Beautiful day for it, isn't it?
What do you think that day's on?
That is something.
Got 3 gears. Slow. Then it's got an intermediate gear that's about right, but it won't stay in gear. It's been wore out. Then it's got a high gear, and you got to be on your toes.
Understand?
It works like a skid steer.
Okay, like a skid steer, huh?
And you don't want to jerk on anything going very fast. It might be going that way.
Switches directions really quick,
Real
huh?
quick, so you got to be real careful when you're.
And you might be this one.
Oh, wow.
It's about as dangerous as a horse. And I won't get on a horse.
About the only advantage, at least the horses sometimes listen, huh?
This don't eat when it's not being used.
Doesn't leave a mess.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
That's a 1940, 41 model.
1940 or 41.
There's a picture on the front of it.
Excellent.
Take the picture of that, and then you can see what it is.
I sure will. I sure will. I'm actually documenting this for we occasionally help Jim. We're some of the mechanics around Lewis Equipment Service. I'm actually one of Chris's employees. We have a YouTube channel also, so I'm trying to make content for our YouTube channel.
He come up to our show at north of Springfield, Missouri.
Yes.
Memorial Day Monday. And he said, I don't believe the hospitality you guys put out. I said, we learned it all from you. We've had 16 shows, 16 years. And I said, what do you want me to bring down? He said, I don't want that black tractor down here.
That's a beautiful piece of
I'll get it
equipment.
out and try it out.
Appreciate you for bringing it.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks for letting me talk to you. What an outstanding piece, y'all.
Tractor Fever. Have you ever seen one of these run?
I was no, I was just.
I'll see if I can get it started.
Oh, excellent.
They
Excellent.
had one on Classic Tractor Fever. The guy running one. Was it this one?
You gonna do what now? That'd be an hour or so, won't it?
Oh man, I wish I'd known about the plow. We're getting ready to leave.
Now you're gonna plow back up here, aren't you? Over there? Or right down here?
How awesome is that? We're gonna get a demonstration.
Have you got the plow attachment for that?
Nope. What do you have? You got a horse-drawn plow.
Horse-drawn plow is all you need.
Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Maybe it won't.
You tried?
Yeah, it probably won't start.
You got 2 brakes on a horse. A real horse, you just crack that whip and it take off.
Mild inconvenience, right?
Damn mechanical crap ain't never gonna last. Just a fad.
The funny part is, stuff like that won't be here in 20 years. This will probably still run.
My grandfather bought a tractor. I don't know what it was. I think from the dead research I've done, it was probably an old Fordson. Never could get the damn thing started. Once it started, he'd run on it. He got tired of it. After a couple of years, he just parked at the back corner of the barn, got the horses back out. He went with the horses for a few years before he finally bought a farm all late.
Yeah. There's no telling how many have been stuck in the woods over the years.
It wasn't perfect. It was pretty raw.
That's a darn mechanical horse, I tell you. Huh.
Hey, there you go, Hawk.
Don't see that every day. How about that? Hey everybody, thanks for watching.
Please subscribe and hit the like button.
And don't forget to share and hit that notification bell.